Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
So I woke up at the start time of Fajr to check for purity, and I found very little traces left. So I checked again 30 minutes before sunrise, and it was the same thing. There was only very little, almost negligible yellow traces. But I don't know how, but I slipped my mind and I didn't set an alarm to check again 10 minutes before sunrise. And I went to sleep and woke up 30 minutes after sunrise to find purity. So do I need to pray Fajr or not?
No, you don't.
Or am I not?
You do not. You don't have to stay the whole period waiting and checking, waiting and checking. If you checked after the adhan and you found that you're still not certain of your purity, you just go to bed and sleep.
And right for me, what to do on Aqiqah, if I have my daughter, what to do when I'm slaughtering, or when to shave the head.
Okay. First of all, when a person is blessed with a daughter or a son, among the first sunnahs is at-tahniq, which is to eat a very tiny little piece of date in your mouth until it becomes watery, and you take a very tiny tip of it and put it in the ceiling of the child's throat or mouth. And this is preferably done by someone who's righteous in the family. If not, then the father would do. If not, the mother would do. There's no problem in that. Among the sunnahs is, on the 7th day, the head would be shaven. And scholars differ whether this is only for male newborns or also for female newborns. I am inclined to say that it's for both, because the hadith states that remove the filth from his head. And the filth is due to coming out of the mother's womb with all these discharges on the scalp. So shaving it would remove it for both male and female. The sunnah is to weigh this hair with silver and give the amount of silver in charity. It's probably like a couple of grams, so it's negligible. But you give it in charity for Muslims, the poor and the needy. The sunnah is to name the child on the 7th day. But also there is a sunnah of naming the child before it's born or after it's born immediately. So it's up to you. You can name the child whenever you want. The sunnah is to slaughter a ram for a baby female and 2 rams for a baby male newborn, among other sunnahs, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.